In 1929, while the rest of the world was losing everything in the stock market crash, one man made $100 million in a single day. His name was Jesse Livermore. But here is the crazy part. The rules he used to build that massive fortune were written down over 100 years ago, and 99% of retail traders today are still actively breaking them. If you feel like the market is constantly out to get you, or you are struggling to stay consistent, you need to hear this. Today, I am breaking down the exact trading rules Jesse Livermore used to beat the market at the highest level. If you actually apply these, it will completely change how you trade. Rule number 1. You must cut your losses fast and let your winners run. Jesse's absolute worst trades came from holding losing positions for too long. Hope is not a trading strategy. Discipline means getting out early the second the trade goes against you, instead of sitting there praying for a reversal. Rule number 2. And this is the one that actually creates the millions. Do not trade every day. Livermore waited weeks, sometimes even months, for the one perfect setup. He famously said that the big money is not made in the trading. It is made in the waiting. Your brain wants to click buttons, but patience is your ultimate edge. Rule number 3. The market is never wrong, but your opinions are. Price action tells the absolute truth. Your only job as a trader is to read the price, not argue with it. When traders lose, they blame the market. But the market simply is. Rule number 4. Never average down on a loser. Adding money to a losing trade is the single most dangerous habit in the market. Jesse learned this the hard way, multiple times. When you add to a losing position, you are letting your ego fight the math. Accept you are wrong, take the small loss, and get out. Rule number 5. Size your positions carefully using the probe method. Livermore never went all in on his first entry. He always started with a tiny position to test the waters first. He only added real size when the market proved his direction was correct. If his initial probe failed, he took a paper cut instead of a fatal blow. Rule number 6. Ride the big trends. The real money is not made in tiny market chops or day trading the noise. Jesse waited for massive market trends and rode them with deep conviction. Stop trying to catch every small move and wait for the massive waves. Rule number 7. You must master your emotions and ignore the headlines. Fear and greed were the root cause behind every major mistake Jesse ever made. The psychological battle of trading is 100 times harder than the analytical one. While amateur traders were busy chasing the news, Jesse only tracked price and volume. He knew that the smart money always revealed itself in the chart way before the story went public. Rule number 8. You cannot improve what you do not track. Jesse kept detailed, obsessive notebooks throughout his entire career. Self-reflection and trade reviews were non-negotiable parts of his process. Jesse Livermore's life was brilliant, turbulent, and deeply human. He proved that the market rewards those who study it seriously and heavily punishes those who let emotion take the wheel. If you want to fix your trading psychology and stop letting your emotions cost you money, hit subscribe to Trading Behavior. We break down the exact mindset shifts you need every single week.